How to customize Apple account sign-in and security settings on your iPhone. If you want to review and update your Apple account security settings, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap your Apple account name at the top of the screen. Now tap Sign In and Security. Here, you can review your email addresses and phone numbers associated with your Apple account. Tap Change Password if you want to update your Apple account password. You can also review two-factor authentication to make sure it's enabled, helping keep your account more secure. Under Recovery Methods, you can add or manage options such as recovery contacts and a recovery key to help you regain access to your account if needed. You can also configure automatic verification, allowing your iPhone to automatically verify your Apple account with supported apps and services without requiring additional CAPTCHA checks. After making your preferred changes, your Apple account security settings will be updated automatically. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.